All right, looking at DGP Tuesday, first thing that we need to find is the simple subject. Now, I will tell you that Ali or Ali is not the simple subject. I told you that leaving on Monday, that Ali is who we're addressing directly. So that's our noun of direct address. So if you look within our word bank, there's one noun of direct address. The individual that we're addressing directly, Ali or Ali, okay? Um, but that is not the subject, okay? Now, I do have a blank here for your subject, believe it or not. We are addressing Ali directly. Ali is who we are taking or we are addressing. So that does make her the subject, but we have to insert a word for our subject. The person we are addressing is Ali. You take only 4 items into the ladies' dressing room. So our subject is a word that we actually have to put in, and that is you. That is who we are addressing. It's Ali, you herself. Okay. Since there's nothing that adds to our simple subject, that also means that so there's no adjectives, there's no modifiers to it. It is just simply our complete subject as well. So we have to do a single underline. Again, you do that by clicking on your little waffle or your borders, making sure that it is single underline, and then clicking the bottom border. Okay. After we found our simple subject, then what we're looking at is our verb. We found our verb on Monday being take. We said take was an action verb. It does end up being our verb again, which makes sense. We do have a noun, or I'm sorry, we do have a direct object. Since we have a direct object, it tells us something about our verb, that it is a transitive verb. Okay, so we know you take what? Items. You take items. Okay, since that is what we're taking, that is our direct object. We know directly what they're taking. Okay, looking at the complete predicate, it is actually the entire rest of our clause. Take only 4 items into the ladies' dressing room. Okay, it is detailed. We know more about it because of our preposition, but it is our complete predicate. So it winds up being double underlined. Okay, so let's see what we've already found. We found our simple subject. We found our verb. We found our noun of direct address. We found our direct object. We still need to find our prepositional phrase. Okay, we have a preposition on Monday. This is marked incorrectly. We have a preposition on Monday and into. So we know it starts with our preposition and then it goes to where we're going into. In this case, it is a room. Okay, we're taking items into a room. All right, into all the way to room is our prepositional phrase. That makes room our object for our preposition because that's what we're going into, or that's what we're taking into. Okay, since we're talking about direction and the way that we are moving, that's an action. So we're modifying our verb. We're saying where we're taking items into. We're not saying what items we're taking. We're saying that we're taking items into somewhere. So it is an adverb prepositional phrase. Okay, that is DGP Tuesday. If you have any questions, make sure you ask on Wednesday. We will briefly cover it on Tuesday as well, but that's DGP Tuesday.